What's a project or an initiative you're most excited about bringing to the people of Lee County in the future? That's a big question.
It's setting big goals for my team and knowing that we're creating value for our community. And there's two big ones that I'm really excited about. One is a partnership with the school district that I'm really excited about. We're hoping to launch that in October. And it's really about my county auditor hat and helping them with fraud, waste, and abuse. And the second one is on my comptroller hat. And it's really we have a publication we call the Sand Dollar, which is all of our financial statements are around 250 pages, and we take that really complex document and put it into a magazine format.
Yeah.
And it's a really, really award-winning publication that I encourage every single person in this community to read, because it's where your taxpayer dollars are being spent and managed. But that's an annual publication, and we are working on an initiative right now to put that on our website as live data.